What's up, fam? So I was about to start cleaning my brushes and I'm like, you know what, I've been wanting to make a video of how I clean my brushes because not to toot my own horn or anything, but like my brushes come out fresh and clean, like fresh and clean. And I have tried so many different ways and different products to clean my brushes, and this is by far the best way that I have found. And when I say I've tried everything, I've tried everything. Like you can see here, this is the Beauty Blender soap. I've had the liquid one before. I've used like regular soap, dial soap like this. I've used sprays. I've used the the Purity face wash, which was probably by far the most expensive way. And what I have found to be the most effective for the cheapest price is castile oil. Now, it doesn't have to be this brand. It can be any castile soap. I've only tried one other brand and it seemed about the same as this one, and this one was a couple dollars cheaper. And they have all different like scents. They have lavender, they have rose, I forget what else, they have peppermint, I think. But you get, how much is this? 32 ounces. I think it's for like $16. So what I did was I put about a tablespoon of that soap in a little cup. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I got a lot of brushes today. I have a lot of brushes every time I do it. This isn't as bad as it usually is. And then what I do is I add some warm water. And I'm just gonna fill that cup up and then set it right over there. And then I'm also going to have a towel laid out to put them down, and I'm only going to do that temporarily until I can go and kind of get the excess moisture out. So I have a little brush egg here. You can get them anywhere. This one is really dirty. Don't mind that. Amazon, anywhere. So now I'm going to run the water a little bit, and then I'm going to dip the brush into the soapy water and then kind of twirl it on the brush egg and then rinse it clean. Kind of squeeze out excess water. We're going to do more of that later. But as you can see, that is so clean. Here, let me show you. Okay, so this is before. That is after. So let me do a really big one, because the smaller ones, yeah, like dial would get most of it off. But okay, so here's a foundation brush that I've been using for like a week. Okay, don't get... Sometimes the foundation brushes like these take 2 rounds just because there's like so much built up product from me using it multiple times. But as you can see, for the most part, that one time I got almost everything out. Let's do it once more for good measure. Now, what I'm going to do is just to show you how well the castile soap cleans compared to everything else. I'm going to I'll use this dial soap, okay? So like, look how much I put on. Alright, let's... job, but you can still see where it's really patchy. So now, here, I'll do it in cast iron soap. And they just feel so soft and fresh after using that. It's crazy. Like, I spent so much money on like brush cleaning sprays and all different types of brush cleaners, and they didn't even work. And you can see it is clean. Okay, so for now, step 2 of the brush cleaning process. We are going to take our brushes and we're going to take some paper towels and we are going to remove the excess moisture from the bristles. I just kind of squeeze it, and then you're going to want to put them in something so they are standing upright. If you leave them like this, they will stay damp, and then the water can get into here where the adhesive is that connects the brush, this top part to the bottom part, and cause it to separate, and then that's how your brushes fall apart. So just remove excess water so that water doesn't, you know, fall down into the handle. And it seems like a very daunting process, and like I dread it like every week, but it honestly doesn't take that long. Like this took me maybe 15 minutes. It's just very like tedious and repetitive process, and you know, just another reminder of the sacrifices us women make for the sake of beauty and art. That's what I think makeup is, like an art form. Like that's how I feel about it. This is my way to be creative and, you know, to like express my personality on my face. It's like nothing has made me happier. And alright guys, well, I hope this video helped you, and please let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Peace, bitches!